Welcome to this video on how to publish your first project on SwiftXR. Simply start by clicking create project and name the project. Let's name this my first project. Now on the left side of the editor, you see components, layers. We also have files, settings, video tutorials, and the editor tour button that gives you a quick tour of the SwiftXR platform. Under components here, you see 3D basic art. Now let's create a project in 3D and let's make it an augmented reality project. You can click any of this to upload your 3D model into the editor. Let's go with Explore Model Library. So pick from any of our already made models. Let's go with this foldable bed. Now you can edit this. If you go to the design tab right here on the right side of the editor, you can edit the background. You can change it. And fix it in any color you want. If you also go to the properties tab right here, you can do so many other things basically. If you're satisfied with what you have, after that simply click preview. If you like what you see, you can then publish now. Now you can copy the link. There's to embed it on your website directly. The QR code. You can open it directly right here on your browser. And that's it. You're done. Thank you so much, and I hope this was helpful.